जब घायल हुए हिमालय, खतरे में पड़े आजादी, जब ताकती सांस लड़े हो, फिर अपनी लाश बिछा दी। संगीन पे धर पर माथा, सो गए अमर बलिदानी, जो शहीद हुए उनकी जरा याद करो कुर्बानी। ये हमारा देश है, ये हमारा महान देश है। We will walk together. Don't worry, I will be in Bengal, no problem, but I will try to come very often in Goa also. I have Digha, the good sea. You have Goa. Sometimes it was my slogan that I want to see Bengal sea will be just like Goa. And we have the sea beach also. We have the Bay of Bengal area also. So we know the people from divers to farmers to artists to players. You love football, we love football. Same similarity. You love fish, we love fish. You love pork, we also. So where is the difference? Only the mental pollution BJP is creating and spreading the poisonous air to the people. That's why I was not allowed to meet Pope. I was invited from Asia to attend this peace conference, but this government of India didn't allow me. They didn't give me the permission. They said it is not fit for you as a chief minister. How, Prime Minister, you are meeting Pope? For what politics? It is not fit for me, but it is fit for shoot you. Whatever you digest for election and only to election, nothing else. You tell me what you delivered? Something different to say and something different to implement. Whatever we assured the people in our manifesto, we have done 100%. If it is not more than 120%. In our state, all total free medical treatment, from kidney transplantation to heart transplantation. Education, the girl child, from school, college, university, madrasa, all. University also. We give free cycles to all the students. We don't divide the Hindu and Muslims or Sikh or Ishai. We give smartphone to my 12th class student, everybody. Every student, the free of cost. I have 1 lakhs. It is about 2 lakhs. Artists, local artists, just like folk artists. We give 1,000 rupees pension every month. All the free ration we give Bengal. All the family is been covered by free ration, the free health treatment, the free education, and also even if anybody die, for cremation also we help. For marriage also we help. There are so many things. Even every woman, our population is very high, you know. It is about 11 crores. We have started Lakshmi Bhandar, one program to empower the women. We give 1,000 rupees to SC/ST and 500 rupees to in general caste in everybody. Every woman, they get it. We said that women, they should be empowered. They can purchase something from their own pocket. They should not ask or they should not go for begging, give me the money. So like this, there are so many. Football, last month I gave 50,000 football to the village boys and girls also. Women football also very popular in our state. So like this, I have the madrasa, I have the school, I have the colleges, university, so many is coming up. and so many international university, our Calcutta University, Jadavpur University, the St. Xavier's University, Presidency University, and 42 new universities. We have a patch up with the international university like Harvard, Cambridge also. So if Bengal can do it, why Goa cannot do it? Goa have everything with them. They have their own tourism. Tourism is the number one industry in Goa. Why there will be unemployment? Where is the policy? Policy is lagging behind. The scheme, the vision, the innovation. Nowadays, the innovation is matter. And our young generation, they have to stand in their own way. We have to help them. They can do anything and everything. We have to import the women. Even I am in favor of cultural artists also. All the cultural artists, Bengal, 99% they are with us. Because we love them, we meet them, we greet them. We always mix up with them.